Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make chicken cutlets. We usually cut the chicken to thin pieces, and then we're gonna use some onions. Eggs and breadcrumbs are for the frying part, and then we have salt and pepper. Now we're gonna add the onions, salt and pepper to marinate our chicken, and then we're gonna leave it for a couple hours, and then we'll fry. But we'll show you how we're gonna marinate it. And we're gonna mix everything together and leave it for a couple hours until it becomes it absorbs all the salt and pepper and the eggs. Back to our channel. Today we're going to make pasta with tomato sauce. We have the spaghetti here, and then onions, tomato paste, and some salt. Now we're going to add some oil to the pan so we can cook the onions first before we add the tomato paste to it. We'll let the oil heat first before we add the onions. Now that the oil is hot, we're going to add the onions to it. We're going to wait until the onions get softer, and then we'll add the tomato paste. I'll show you how it's going to look like when the onions are fully cooked. And that's the color that we want the onions to get to put it on for paste for pasta. Adding some warm water to help the tomato paste to dissolve. Now that all the tomato paste was dissolved and boiled, we're going to cover and let it simmer and put it on low heat. Salt to the water that's boiling so we can cook the pasta, the spaghetti. Now we're going to drain the pasta. Marinated the chicken, we're going to put it in the breadcrumbs so we can fry it. We're going to put it and then flip it on both sides to cover it up with the breadcrumbs. To the pan and let it heat, and then we're going to add the chicken that's covered with breadcrumbs. Now that the oil is hot, we're going to add the chicken. Now that one side is cooked, we'll flip it to the other side to cook the other sauce to our spaghettis. We're going to mix it together. Here is the final look at our pasta, and we have chicken cutlets with it. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and I hope you enjoy the food too. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.